Hi, this is Ben, and I just got the 3-pack of the Waterspecialist replacement refrigerator water filters for our Samsung refrigerator. Nice to know I have a good year and a half covered or so before I have to purchase any new ones. These each come sealed in plastic and also with a cap, so we're just going to unwrap this and install this right now. So first of all, I'm going to remove the old filter. I found that the filters are much easier to remove with some pliers. With the pliers, it's a lot simpler to get a grip on these and have the leverage to twist to get it out. I always put a towel down to catch any drips from the filter as it's coming out because it still has water in it. Then I usually just drain it out in the sink before I get rid of it. The filter here does show a directional arrow for which direction to unlock it. So to put it in, we just insert it into the slot and press in as we twist it clockwise. It could take a few tries to get it lined up right, but you'll feel it lock in and you'll actually hear the water rush into the filter. You know it's installed correctly. After I have it installed, I usually fill a few glasses of water just to get any dust or particles out of the water filter. And also this will get any air bubbles out of the water line. Then the final step is to reset the filter timer on our fridge. This is done just by holding the filter button down a few seconds. The pack does come with some date stickers, so you can use those if your fridge does not have a built-in timer. It's really a straightforward process to install this, and I'm really looking forward to some nice chilled filtered water. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.